Start by identifying the complete bathroom ventilation product.
A ceiling grille may belong to a simple exhaust fan, a fan-light heater combination, a humidity-sensing unit, or a remote inline fan. Record the model, controls, and when the noise occurs. Sound alone cannot prove that a bearing or motor has failed.
Listen only while the unit is fully assembled and guarded.
Classify the symptom by timing: start up, steady speed, shutdown, damper movement, wind, light or heater operation, and high humidity. Then describe the sound as scrape, tick, rattle, hum, buzz, or airflow roar.
Recordings can distort pitch and loudness. Water changes the priority immediately.
If the grille is wet, water drips, staining spreads, or condensation reaches the housing, do not touch, open, reset, or re-energize the equipment. Stop use from a safe location and obtain qualified evaluation of both the moisture source and electrical condition.
Use safe access for every observation. Bathroom fixtures are not work platforms.
Never stand on a toilet, tub rim, sink, countertop, bucket, chair, or wet floor. If the grille cannot be viewed from stable, dry, suitable access without overreaching, stop and use qualified service.
A wall switch in the off position is not verified isolation.
Combination units may have multiple feeds, shared circuits, timers, humidity or occupancy controls, and automatic restart. A stopped wheel or dark light does not show that the motor, heater, sensor, or junction box is electrically safe. Before any covered access, a qualified person identifies every relevant source, de-energizes it, applies lockout where required, and verifies absence of voltage.
The rotating assembly is then controlled.
Never remove a grille for powered listening, reach through an opening, or put a microphone or camera into the fan plane. Build the diagnosis from the sound path. A loose grille spring, lens, damper, duct, fastener, or sealing interface can rattle. Debris, a distorted or unbalanced wheel, shifted motor plate, worn bearing, housing contact, water, or an adjacent building component can sound similar.
Evidence decides the branch. Cleaning follows the exact product manual and only occurs in the verified isolated state.
Use compatible dry or damp methods where approved while protecting windings, electronics, heater, sensors, connectors, and sealing materials. Do not spray cleaner into the unit, wash the motor plate, or create a compressed air dust cloud. Lubrication is not a universal repair.
Many small motors use sealed bearings and have no field lubrication point.
Do not add household oil, penetrant, or grease unless the exact manual specifies the product, location, and quantity. Never trim, bend, heat, scrape, glue, or rebalance a damaged wheel.
Heater-equipped units and older ceilings add separate hazards.
Never bypass a thermal protector or operate without required covers and airflow. Do not drill, sand, scrape, or cut suspect ceiling texture, insulation, duct wrap, or patching merely to reach a noisy fan.
Qualified identification comes first. Replacement must match the documented assembly.
Voltage, frequency, current, motor technology, control method, speed, rotation, shaft, wheel, connector, mounting, thermal protection, wet location application, and listing compatibility can all matter. A quieter or physically fitting motor is not proof of safe airflow or heat performance.
Final verification uses the complete guarded unit.
Restore grounding, junction cover, strain relief, motor plate, wheel retention and clearance, damper, duct, insulation, light or heater parts, grille, and every fastener. Then verify start, stop, controls, sound, vibration, airflow, damper action, temperature, and absence of moisture.
Quieter alone is not enough.